ano yung sinubstitute ko. Dati, ang akala ko, kailangan mo ng drugs para makagawa ka ng art. Of course, I had to substitute that with something. Paano ko gumagawa ng art ngayon? And my answer is this. The only thing you need to make art is just have something to say. I won't do this podcast if wala akong gustong sabihin, wala akong gusto i-share, wala akong gusto ipakita na vision na naisip ko. Hindi ako pipaint yun. What I mean is, kung wala akong naisip na vision na maganda, I wouldn't paint it. If wala akong gustong sabihin na tingin ko makakatulong sa iba, I wouldn't say it. I just keep quiet. Ayoko magreklamo sa internet. If you have nothing to say, just shut up, diba? Pero if you have something to say, do it with all your heart and make art. Yun ang gamitin mong fuel para gumaling ka at makagawa ka ng artwork, ng painting. Because if you can notice, maraming mga artists yan, pero sometimes they don't have anything to say. Magaling sila sa skill, pero they don't have anything to say aside from magaling akong painter. Okay, pero what are you saying with your artwork? Kasi may mga hindi sobrang galing na painter, tapos may sinasabi sila, ang ganda lalo ng painting nila kasi it connects with you, right? And I can say na hindi ako sobrang galing na artist, pero I have something to say. Natatalo ng concept yung skill ng isang artist. So just keep that in mind, guys, for artists out there. Yun yung gusto kong sabihin. Meron tayong fuel if we have something to say. And where do you get that? Well, if may experience ka, like this one, with drugs versus art versus addiction, then you use that and you use whatever medium that you think is comfortable for you and that you can use using the message that you want to say. If sa tula mo gusto mong gamitin, gumawa ka ng tula. If sa painting mo gusto mong gamitin, dahil may naisip kang image with that, i-painting mo. If may nakita kang tao sa lansangan na natutulog na tingin mo parang Rembrandt painting siya, picturean mo, i-paint mo yun kasi gusto mong sabihin kung ano man yung gusto mong sabihin after mong ma-realize maganda pala yung image na yun. So, I mean, you don't need drugs.